Good morning, children. Today we are learning the continuation part of worksheet number 2. So, here we should learn before that where do we use big, great, or large? What is the sentence? The bit is based on complete these sentences using big, great, or large. The word large is used for measuring numbers. To say the number, we use the word large. That more number of people. Big is used for describing an event, means saying about something which you have attended. Then great says about the quality or defines a person and how the person is. So let us fill up these sentences now. First one, a dash number of people came for the cricket match. A large number of people. As I said, for the more number of people, we'll write large. For the numbers, large. Second one, Albert Einstein was a dash physicist. Here we are describing a person. So, great physicist. Albert Einstein was a great physicist. Third one, it was a dash feeling to watch my sister win the swimming championship. It was great feeling to watch my sister win the swimming championship. As I said, there's something to express qualities or feelings. We use the word great. Fourth one, he is making a dash mistake. That is, he is making a big mistake. Fifth one, a dash fire broke out in the middle of the night. A big fire broke out in the middle of the night. As I said, that something big happened. Event means not always like organizing party or something else. It means something which happened in more in number, which cannot be countable. There we use big. We had a dash time at the school picnic. We had a great time at the school picnic. Seventh one, have a dash day, said mother as she waved to Shalini. Waving is nothing but moving hand. If you are going out, we'll wave our hand, we'll move our hand to say bye to the parents or to the friends. That is called waving. Have a great day. Mother, said mother as she waved to Shalini. Now, second bit, read these sentences, circle all the words that are similar in meaning and can be used to complete these sentences. So here we need to circle the words which are similar. Means a sentence is given with some options. Among that options which are same, that we need to circle. They have given the 4 options. Either 3 are same, either 2 are same. That we need to circle. First one, the prisoner dashed the king to release him. Prisoner. Prisoner means the person who is in prison. who is in jail for committing mistake or for doing a wrong thing. The options are pleaded with, convinced, begged, requested. Among this, the three are with same meaning. That is pleaded with, begged and requested. Circle these three words. Now second one. Maya has beautiful hair. It is black and shiny. Options are shiny, glittery, glossy, jazzy. Shiny, glossy. Circle these two words. Third one. After the robbery, Bilwa was so dash that she could not speak for some time. So, robbery has occurred and the girl was unable to speak for some time. So, what happened to her? Shocked, disturbed, angry, hurt. The options 3 are similar here. Shocked, disturbed, hurt. Now, fourth one. 6 of us were dash for the dance performance. So that 6 of us were selected, chosen for the dance performance. Fifth one. We were dashed to watch the race. The words which are similar are eager, keen. Means you are very excited to see the race. Add ly to these words. Change the spelling where needed. If you are adding the word ly, this is called suffix. Wherever necessary, we will change like ILY. So it's not necessary that it is given LY. So we need to write only LY. We will write sometimes ILY too. Then write down first one, happy. Happily, HAPPILY, happily. Second one, final. Finally, FINALLY, finally. Third one, rude, rudely. Fourth one, merry, merrily. Fierce, fiercely. Quick, quickly. Hope that everyone understood. Thank you.